In today's video, we are checking out the new update. I already saw it because I recorded a video and I lost all my footage, so I have to redo it. Okay. So, there is new bundles. God! There's new bundles. These things. New bundles! And then there is a complete new map. There's a new map. There's new things, whatever they're called. Let's see. Which one's new? I think that's new. This is new right here, this fan. That's new right there. And then I'll show you the map. I don't know why I have this. Let me put it in my stash. Give me that. Okay. Okay. But look what these do. Whee! They make you fly. Oh my gosh, I suck. I suck! I'm gonna be Spider-Man. I'm Spider-Man. No, I'm not. Yes, I am. Okay, I will show you the new map. Doink. Woohoo! Someone just texted me. I don't even care. Oh, it's the troll guy. Oh! Oh! You go here, and there's new map. What's this? I actually never knew what this was. I never knew this was here. Doink! Look, wait, can objects be flown? Oh, they can't. That sucks. So there is a new monster. I'm not gonna. There's new eggs and stuff. Look how much I have. Someone like that's how much the eggs give you a lot. I'm too lazy. If you press that button, it'll track the. You can hear it. Oh my gosh! Why is my grappling hook not working? Yeah, the new bunny monster. Womp womp. Whoa! One hit, I'm dead. That thing is breaking the barrier. I'm gonna go up here just in case. Okay. So here's the whole maze. And there's the egg. Oh yeah, you can see the monster. Like there's the egg. If you get it, you could put it in a backpack. I don't know what you do, but that's how I got a lot of Mooney. They like duplicated it. Like it was crazy. They made like so much. And then my VR died. That's probably why I lost my footage. But before my VR died, I turned off the video and I was like, I'm gonna play until my VR dies. So I don't know what's wrong. So yeah, that's the new update. Well, you guys are gonna be listening to this. I'm sorry. So, can you change it? Oh, it's only that music. So, guys, wait, what the? I want that back. Wait, how do you? How much does this give you? Absolutely nothing nice. Oh, two. Yeah, very grateful. So, guys, I am going to not next video. What day is it today? Wait, what day is it today? 1 second. It is Tuesday. On Thursday, I will be making a whole video. It's probably gonna be like an hour long, maybe. And I have to try to unlock. I have to like try to unlock. Where am I right now? I have to try to unlock. My challenge is I have to unlock this backpack, and I have to unlock. Can't afford those. I have to unlock that backpack, and I have to unlock the sticky bomb. That's what I have to unlock, and I'm gonna try getting those. And yeah. And tomorrow's video, I am going to be making a King of the Hill and Gorilla Tag, and it's gonna be awesome. So yeah, bye.